Oh, you know, you can write a thing. Yeah, I'm gonna have 6 sandwiches. And your total is gonna be $7.12. No. I'm gonna be doing 2 more sandwiches. Oh. Okay. Hi, sorry about that. Can you actually change your gloves? Oh yeah, sure. Yeah, no, I don't, I'm kind of picky. Oh no, also wash your hands. Okay. Yeah, come with germaphobe, but just wash your hands. We should be good. And no, actually, your shirt's kind of dirty. Can you actually like change your shirt? Okay, yeah, it just doesn't look good. I can't eat. Oh, can you actually just take a shower real quick? Just a really quick shower. Maybe some shampoo, maybe some conditioner. Yeah. Yeah, no, I don't want Subway anymore. And the foot-long cold cut combo is gonna be $7.30. Oh, come on. They used to be $5. Come on. Yeah, I know they changed it. $5 foot long? Whatever happened to that? Oh my god. Price has gone up so much. Yeah, no, I know. Yeah. You're paying with cash or credit? Wow. Okay, no, I can't do this. No. There used to be $5 foot long. It's like, no, I'm not gonna eat here anymore. Just add some mayo. Yeah, just add some mayo. Okay. Just a little bit more. Okay. Actually, a little bit more. Okay. A little bit more. Yeah. Just a little bit more. Is that good? Yeah. I'll tell you when to stop. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Keep going. Yeah. I'm also gonna get the top of the bread too. Yeah. Don't forget the corners too. Yeah. Oh my god, yeah. Whew. Oh, and change your gloves too. So, I'm gonna get 6-inch Italian. Yeah, add some ham. Yeah, a little bit more. American cheese, Toast, yeah, toast it, Yeah, toast it, We're gonna do some white lettuce, Yeah, awesome, oh yeah, And then the tomatoes, Oh, for the tomatoes, no white stuff in the middle. Has to be like the cleanest tomatoes you can find. Yeah. Oh, okay. I just don't like them. Yeah, just without the white stuff. No, not that one. No. No, dude, come on. Not that one. No. Dude, without the white stuff. No. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay. I'm gonna need 3 layers of tomatoes. Okay, great. Yeah, so my friend just texted me what he wanted. Okay. He's gonna have a 6-inch. And what kind of bread did he want? Oh. Oh no, he just said 6-inch. We got the Italian white, we got the 9-grain wheat, we got the Italian herbs and cheese, we got the jalapeno bread, we got the new sunflower seed. No. We got flatbread. No, just a 6-inch. I don't know what he wanted. Yeah. I don't know. He doesn't say. Okay. Just pick one. Okay. And what kind of meat? Oh no, he didn't say. I don't know. It literally just says 6-inch. So wait, please don't fire me. I can make videos for you. Let's promote your stuff. Yeah. Okay guys, that's it. Peace guys. See ya.